Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through connecting Close with ActiveCampaign so data flows seamlessly between the two platforms. Let's get started by opening the Create menu from the left sidebar. From here, we'll choose Zaps to build our automation. The trigger is what kicks off your automation, so let's set that up first by clicking here. Type in Close in the search box, and when it appears, go ahead and select it. You'll want to pick which event in Close will start this automation, so select your trigger event from the options. To connect your Close account, click Sign In and enter your credentials when prompted. Select the Close organization you'd like to work with, then grant access by clicking Allow. Let's verify everything is working properly by testing the trigger with real data from your Close account. Perfect! Now we'll move forward using this sample record by clicking Continue with Selected Record. Time to set up the action side of things. Search for ActiveCampaign and select it as your action app. Here you'll decide what happens in ActiveCampaign when your trigger fires, so choose your preferred action event from the drop-down. Just like before, we need to connect your ActiveCampaign account, so click Sign In here. Enter your ActiveCampaign API credentials in the fields provided. Then click Yes, Continue to ActiveCampaign to establish the connection. Now you'll map the data from Close to ActiveCampaign by filling in these input fields with the information you want to pass through. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Continue to finalize and activate your integration. Your integration is now live. From this point forward, Close and ActiveCampaign will work together automatically based on the rules you've configured. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created an automation that connects Close and ActiveCampaign. Feel free to run through this again anytime.